Ka Sen Congress kabadon hakaliang persya haying do bartawan haka khandru turik rumpang kal ajing ro ya ka sorkar jela hadian bang kasim ya ka rai penhiar ya ka bai yang kali bat banweng no ya ka jing penlip boarding. Habakran sekilar petai kubor ka MLA jengko Congress ko mikmat ya ka East Shillong ka kong Ampareen lingdo kelabu ya ka jingkli balai ka sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance klasim ya ka rai penhiar do yang khatlai singi hadian bagi nongnya kali kamai kilasage. Ka kong Ampareen kala keliru ka jingeh jengko sorkar jela bankhot syakami yakran yakini ki joint action committee.
Pi kani brokhot kadai ke jing matlah ke jing kyllut ke jing bom salia. Mo tingi ngi ong. Babalai bahado bakan da syem sau pupra kenta jong ke pakhang surok bakan ke sorkar kan sengam. Ki babon ki platforms but ki forums ki baladon hakmat jong ke sorkar bakan ya keren gini ki kam. Hato shwa ba pin keu ya ka bai petrol ne bai diesel phim shim ladon kam ban khot ya ki all parties phim shim ladon kam ban khot ya ki rang ba snong rang ba dongs ya ki nong khayi these kane kata ka one sided action ka ba barbor ka result kumne negatively kane ka arsngi ka badu ya do yang upat ba bat kane ka khatlai sngi ka ba upat ba uhap ban shem gijing gi babon kamdei ke kaba jenjar pi ti ka sorkar kamdei ban up ken tingi ong kala dei shisha ka sorkar ka ba kyllut ka sorkar ka ba matlah ka sorkar ka ba shu mut ban shu sempat ben it's not healthy namar ngingi dei ka demokrasi te ka demokrasi kalong ka survive ka demokrasi namar bangia keren ngia kana ngia debate sutu ngia sengap lang bro kiliang Mengamla ban medur kumno ba tang menen nen chisngi pi announce ya ka shutdown ya ka load shedding menta pila decide bom don kam shu ka load shedding pi kini bro khat ki bo jingkli ngi ki paidbah ngi ka opposition ngim tip ka ga baja po sarkar bangi shu sa lengo as responsible legislators are addressing a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister to immediately initiate a dialogue with the commercial vehicle owners. We are calling them the CVOs. We understand that the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act has been invoked and has been executed in this matter. But to us, the public of Meghalaya, this does not look like an amicable solution. There has been no two sides that have come together to understand the problems. And the application of the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act also has a lot of other components attached to it, which if applied to one section of protesters should also be looked at holistically. We will share with you our understanding of the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act. We will share with you the components of the writ petition and the subsequent Honorable High Court order in spirit. We feel that the last 48 hours has displayed a different kind of a protest, where after so many years of not having a protest, we are suddenly faced with another protest, but this protest appeared clearly as a protest where public extended support to the commercial vehicle owners. There was no untoward incident, no report of any untoward incidences. There doesn't seem to be a report of any violence. There doesn't seem to be a report of any occurrence of any act that disrupts public order. So in such situations, we feel that if the public of Meghalaya cooperated with the callers of the 2 days road blockade, we feel that it would be in the fitness of things that this matter should be amicably solved between the government and these commercial vehicle owners. So we feel that the criminal charges that are now being processed need to be carefully studied. Where is the criminality in all of this? We need to understand. So that, when a previous government had thought it befitting to initiate an act of this nature, it should be in the fitness of things carried forward in the right perspective, in the right spirit. We are appealing to the Honorable Chief Minister to reconsider his stand and to call these commercial vehicle owners so that we do not see any offshoot in any form or matter of this disorder that will continue in the days to come. We also appeal to the commercial vehicle owners to please withdraw all future proposals for any organization of any strike or any protest that would involve public at large. Hi namar kini ki commercial vehicle owners nakapor sa kapor ki juyai tho shithi ko mangyo I ha kilat pathai ko bor jong pi sipang ke agendas ki popon. Te balai pat ye kini phi treat in isolation ken. Balai phi treat in isolation. Ke balai, what is the personality clash? Phi phimla man apply law when it is a clash of opinions and personalities. Ringingim ko asyo banyo iba sa kata ka jingkiw paidbah pat jong kita ki commercial vehicles sasha secretariat bandon pat sakaway ka jing yaki. Ngim kwa ngi appeal shakini ki commercial vehicle owners. So bahawat ya le syo kumta. Ngim patla ban klet ikitu ki jing jaha khamat yeng ulat nakabenta ka CAA ka ILP. Ka jing klumar thlem ka jing bensaw bungot ki priyo ikitu ki stampedes. Sisian pa pisha ino ban khot iki paidbah kumto ki paidbah ha ka jing sngo go jong ki bagi don kamban kershan kita ki issues ki agendas ban poi syo jing klumar. Tingi anticipate kum ka parti ka bala judan ha ka sorkar bon snem. But he don't come bandon kata ka unique wisdom. But the insight ka ba shachangai te. We still don't understand. Balai kim khot ikini for dialogue and discussion. Kidang bon em kita ki pending issues jong ki. Manoban sort out ikita ki pending issues. Pin shukem biki. Pin thep iki. Pin sajay iki. Kinwan saki way. This will not work. This formula is a formula that is not going to work. So we appeal to the government and the commercial vehicle owners. Please, we need as a public to be assured that there will be no further deterioration of this understanding between these two groups, because the public is suffering because of this non-resolving of this problem. Slap on the face of the government. It is a precedent set. Now this precedent indicates what? That if we all want to force the government to do whatever we want to do, irrespective of justifications, will the government just do? Is this the message that they are passing on to the public? Whenever you want anything to get done, just call for a ban and call for this and call for that and put in the necessary pressure. Our government in all those years tried our best to make sure that we were made available for the public so that we don't get into these impasses which will be detrimental to the state. But now we are saying that the government is again giving the wrong message to the public. Now, a precedent set is a precedent set. You cannot just forget about it. I am afraid all of the other issues which are also pertinent in this time, like the ILP, the CA, will see the same kind of action. We are getting worried now. Our state is just recovering from the pandemic. Our children have to prepare for the board examinations. We are told that all the boards are now going to be publishing their dates of examinations. What is going to happen if again, because of ILP and CA and a host of other issues, we see this kind of a dictator dictating the government? So a slap on the face is understatement. A precedence has been set. And this precedence has to be put on the right track. We should make sure that this is not what the people feel. It is one thing to announce the reduction of the petrol and diesel by 7 rupees. How did you come to this equation is what we need to ask. Why did you in the first instance take a cumulative tax of that amount? So these are the questions which will leave future governments in very tight spot. Very tight spot. Consultation is the key to the success of democracy. Let us be democratic, both from the side of the government, and let people also be aware of their rights and also responsibilities.
Paidbah halor kata kamat baong ke gadau ba ka sorkar kendit kalia load shedding anda don ka pressure au nakaliang jongi naki Congress MLA bat nakaliang ki paidbah menta bade kalau weng no kata ka load shedding ba ka umdan load shedding show te halor kata ngin hab ya Paidbah ban boi kita ki jingkeli ha ka assembly ka banwan nadu santarik ka baar kalong ni soban ai khublei ru ka sorkar ba kala penhiar ka dor jong ka umpniang sya ka nyu tengka ngengkong ki penhiar kan ar tengka anda lajur ka jing yakhi lajur ka pressure ha ka sorkar ka hiar sya ka nyu tengka ya kata ru ngin hab ya Paidbah ha ka assembly ba ke gadau ba ka sorkar kam sngo thu ye ka jingeh jong ki Paidbah ba ke gadau ba ka sorkar kasngap man mata baro arteo hadu lasyam jenjar du Paidbah khamtam ki reu ki basenong gendong tilada shisha ka sorkar kala don jingmut ban penhiar ka dor kala de ban le na du kitu kisngi nengkong shwa bakan hakipor bakidang susdang ka jinghi nagini commercial vehicle owners tito wala kala penhiar ka dor nga ni kumning nilai rai mane janmet bangin tho sa chief minister ka chithi baka chithi chief minister kala deploy but hakata ka chithi ni pensngau ka sorkar ya ka jing bom simkhia jo ka sorkar ya ka ne ka jing yakhi jong ki taxi owners kadau kalong ba ni lasem jenjar hadu kata ki Paidbah ki lasem jenjar hadu kata ki nongpang kim yo bakin lake hospital ki nong kendong jongi kim yo ban thit bam thit marbam na sor silong tikane baro kalong ka attitude jong ka sorkar ka ba kamkwa bakan shim ya kanon responsibility ka ap ba hadu banda poi kani ka put ban penjinjar yu Paidbah tingi ong sa ka sorkar ro ba ngiyo sngo naki media ngiyo sngo naki source jong ki pulit ba somat menta ki bethong ban kem ya kini ki leader jong ka joint action committee bat ki badai ki leader jong kini ki commercial vehicle owners ngi pun sngo kumne nakaliang jongi ngi ong bakane ka jinghi kadai ka jinghi ka ba kabalong peaceful hadu kata ta ba kumsumdan mano bawan penbor yu Paidbah menta arfu saupu pra kenta ngi ladon kaban hai saupu pra kenta umsumdan uno kan u volunteer lane umdan uno uba pakhang ya ka surok ban ong phimbit ba phinya ka surok kata kamut kalong tang ka appeal kadai ka appeal ka ba ki ai na kaliang ka kani ka joint action committee ti u Paidbah ula kersyan lang ba u Paidbah usngo ba dei ka sorkar ba de ban sngap ban penhiar ka dor jong ka umpniang kata kamut u Paidbah jong ka state ru u kersyan lang ya ka jingdawa ban penhiar ka dor umpniang te dei hangta u Paidbah voluntarily sum sei ki kali ban yat tin namar kata ngingis ngo ba ban pensitom lane ban penjari da kano ka an ya kini kinong yalam jong kini ki commercial vehicle owners kalong ka bomday te haka democratic process jong kani ka ri jongi amut mano ro khilahi ba kin express ya ka opinion jong ki lane bakin appeal ban shim yakum kata karai ban pelong ya ka strike mata sing sa ai kini krop ki city ndrei katkum ka high court order ka ba ngin sa sam chapi hakane ka high court order ka haka operative portion ka high court ka ongkum neru kong even the state government can be asked to pay damages to the citizens if it fails to stop ban strike and hartal etc kata kamut hangne buat ka sorkaru ka don ka benta ba upai ba ula ba un dawan ka sorkar ba kidi bakin siu ya kata ka jinglut te kamut hal kan ni kam tadi ni ban be thong gini mereka kamram jong sorkar kan dai te nomor kata ngi kwa ban pensyai mat jong pi ba ngi dawan ka sorkaru ba ka dei bakan kam punjun sur ya ki jingsau jong ki ban be thong ban kem ya kini ki leader ba ngi kwa kumbang ngi le rai mene i madam ru laong ba ngi kwa ba kan don da kenja jingeh sutu lang kade bandon ke jingeh sutu lang ba ngi ne syong ban ya penbet ya kan ikakam namar da ka bai be thong da ka ba shupha kem kalong ke ka banwan ra ya ke jing sosi le se ke jingeh khiru yo kidang por nang ne shakmat tengi kwa ya ke jing sok ha state ngi kwa ba baro ki ne syong sok song san tengi appeal show chief minister baun khot da ke jing lang ban ya penbet lang rengkat bat kini commercial vehicle owners bat kumjo ba ka sorkar
bat kini ke jing pet ibor ha preng juki angut uyap upai ba pede bat kadon ru kata ke jing penslam yang di jing ya keren ke jing entah sila da sorkar kal arai men penihar da nyu tengkai ka umpnian kan yu sorkar ba kecil men arai arta yuswa kam simla ban kini keren shwa bat na try borok kinong nya kali kamai ki sutu hiru kata bang le marmar ko kam khunum dei do sok andre bandin de lakon du ko kanum do penslam hadu kan ni bon paidbah num jenja du kan ni arta yo bar kadon du bangi ko khubor ke jing berngen ba ki ko kan ki sim nya kan ka menta jong ka high court order kembal ong i ba sim plan menta ba ka high court order kam keno tang silia ba ka high court order ka kan syai baladon kenu nu jing le bor force coercion lani kata kajing penbor di paidbah ndai hang ni kam simdon artayo kini ki nongnya kali kamai kila aipor ek sorkar hadu artayo kalai si kalayat ne khadar si kalayat kata kajing strike tangdal de klam do pentut you know nama ki asem jing sebab la ne da ka bapun slam pa kimban si ban kerpa di paidbah bani sim bentah lani jing khang kali ke ba sabu prakanta temen apa ban thong gini kinong nya kali ya kinong kamai belasi ya ki bapli ke bele ban pen i so paidbah ke jing jungki ban pen iru so ka sorkar ke jing jungki ban ka ju ko pol ban ra ke jing jung paidbah ko sorkar adale ta taru jak thong no kum ki nong tu nong thiem te kalong ba bakala pala tina ta daw ngi ke pat sorkar ba kinweng ni kini ki kes ki ba kila mudui persya ya kini ki nong khot ya kini ka jingkhang pakhang kali ke ba sapu prasni sapu prakanta bat ha chu ko por bakin pe ba kini ka government ya ka high court order kim de mun shu ai tang shitek ka high court order kam ka kren ya kitu ki kan hon ki ba penbor pa ba ki ba wan ra ya ka jingting ismi ya ka jela ba ko ki ba penjat ya kino ki mar simet ya ki yeng dan ki sam lani kinu ki tiar ke bade jong paidbah lani kinu bang ke public property lani private property high court order keren sai lo kata bat ka ba aru high court order ko ong bai ka government ru ngin haban sim ai ke kli balada ki bakla ban peniai bat bakim la ban khang ali pen sange e ki bon ta umur ke kli ru kale ka sorkar te kata hi ke ka high court order ndi ban ai tang site de nomor hangni dan arlian mamla te bro arlian ru ni dia makin di bersiam lang jikit klik nak taban weng mau ya kena kecil untuk paidbah umat hari ni ski kasi sisi di kepat ibol alian ham tam ek sorkar bahkan khot ikren makin penbet no lolol bagla penhiar ko punya ai bagan ni kanung sulong tang syapang ko punya kani ro di bulong syapang jing jom di nongnya kali kamai jom di nongre jom di wepat ke kam ya ke jing sekri jom paidbah nak yang sorkar bat nak yang kali kamai hakalan jojal or bak khajna kala he tekaran kam miyaki ya sorkar begini syong ka sorkar bat kini nongnya kali kamai begini syong bakin sutu lang tetang da ka ba sebenarnya bersih te kampoi ke sesuatu